I'm not sure I'd want to try. I'll leave it to you guys. It's going to be cooler as we head through the next few days. Let's take a little look at some of the pictures that have come in over the last 24 hours. The first picture that we would like to show you, some lovely colours at dusk yesterday, a lovely sunset there near Wakefield. A rather greyer story to start this morning in our second picture. That was Sutton near Doncaster. If we can look at our second picture. Well, it was a foggy one. There we go. It was a foggy one for many of us this morning. And the third picture, perhaps not surprising that this is Fewston Reservoir, but Nick says it's not every day you get to walk into the middle of a reservoir. And there's actually not very much rain in the forecast for the foreseeable, certainly not until the middle of next week. What there is quite cold conditions over the next few days. So we are looking at it getting cooler as we head through Thursday, and particularly I think you'll feel it on Friday. So starting to feel a bit cooler tomorrow, but really quite chilly on Friday, particularly for the coast. You can see on the pressure chart the winds coming down from the north. A few showers perhaps in the east, particularly along the coast. There could be the odd heavy one on Friday. Otherwise, a good deal of dry weather because of this area of high pressure. We've had variable amounts of cloud through today, as you can see from the satellite picture, and that cloud perhaps thick enough through this evening and overnight, particularly in the east, to squeeze out just the odd light shower, but generally it will be a dry story. More cloud compared with last night, so it won't be as cold as it was last night. The top of the Vale of York dropped back to around 5 degrees, and it may well be towards the end of the night we get temperatures a little cooler than this across far north of North Yorkshire, but generally they won't be as low as last night. Let's have a quick look at those high water times then in Bridlington at 8:13 and at 8:05 in Filey. So any remaining cloud across parts of South Yorkshire will move away, and there'll actually be plenty of sunshine through tomorrow morning. What we'll find is cloud will bubble up and spread out for the middle part of the day, so more cloud as the day goes on. It could be thick enough for the odd light shower in the east, but for most places it is going to be dry, and temperatures will get up to around 16 or 17 degrees. Cooler still on Friday. There'll also be quite a few coastal showers into Friday, and some of those could be on the heavy side. There'll also be a strong wind along the coast, gusts in excess of 40 to 45 miles an hour. Inland, the breeze will be a little bit lighter. It'll be drier too. And then as we head through the weekend, a lot of dry and settled weather to come. It won't be as windy. It won't be quite as chilly, and there'll be some sunshine first thing in the morning and last thing in the afternoon, Amy.
Not used to a live audience, are you, for your